Honor 400 Pro, a device that has been designed with a clear intent to deliver a flagship-level experience in the areas that matter most without unnecessary excess. From the very first moments of unboxing through daily use, the phone consistently communicates refinement, technical maturity, and a strong emphasis on real-world usability rather than mere specification headlines. The unboxing process is refreshingly minimalistic yet refined. The Honor 400 Pro sits front and center, immediately drawing attention to its slim 8.1mm profile and balanced 205-gram weight, both of which hint at careful internal engineering. The packaging avoids unnecessary distractions, focusing instead on presenting the device as the centerpiece, supported by the expected accessories and documentation. Lifting the phone out of the box for the first time, the tactile impression is excellent. The lunar gray finish I tested features a smooth, matte texture that subtly diffuses light, resists fingerprints, and reinforces the phone's understated premium character. The multi-angle camera module feels deliberate and distinctive, giving the device visual identity without overwhelming the rear design. After extensive hands-on use, the Honor 400 Pro presents itself as a cohesive and carefully considered smartphone. Its camera system delivers true flagship-level results. The display excels in all lighting conditions, and performance remains consistently smooth and reliable. Rather than chasing extremes, Honor has focused on balance, combining strong battery endurance, fast charging, advanced AI features, and a refined design into a device that feels complete.